This is a 2-in-1 set. Demissle gel sweat stick and waist trainer I was sent to review. So let me show you a closer look. The sweat stick, sweat enhancer. This is a little bit stretchy, kind of like a neoprene feel and thickness. The soft Velcro receiver on one side, almost a foam kind of material on the inside. And I got the size large. You're gonna do this on your skin, not a shirt. I'm just showing this for size purposes, but you're gonna put on the sweat stick on your skin, and then this is gonna go on directly over your skin and do it nice and tight. Then you can put a shirt over it if you want, but this is going to enhance working out and sweating and waist training. The Sweat Enhancer Gel Stick is 7.8 ounces. The box says it promotes an additional increase in sweating and motivation. Suitable for problem areas such as arms, abdominal muscles, or inner thighs. Accelerates warm up and cool down time and creates a clean, fresh scent during your workout. Whoop! Very cool container here. It's like a huge lip balm, but not for your lips. Just twist the bottom and it comes up and out of the top. It smells nice, like a slight sweet aroma. I can't really put my finger on the smell, but it smells really nice. Directions. Before exercise, apply an ample amount of workout enhancer topical gel to the skin, coating all desired areas without rubbing in. The workout enhancer is activated by your elevated heart rate and works best during cardio, circuit, and high interval training. It's really creamy and nice feeling, and then when you rub it on, it's clear. Like, you don't even see it on there. Nobody has to know. Here are the ingredients right on the box. So this you can apply to multiple body parts. And this one is specifically for the waist. It's about 7 inches wide, 41 inches long for waists of about 30 to 38 inches. Apparently this creates like a thermal barrier on your skin, kind of trapping in the heat from working out to potentially help you burn fat and calories better. And it's important to note that this does contain capsicum, so there's like this kind of warm tingling feeling. So you might want to test it on a small area before you just rub it all over your whole body, just to make sure that you don't mind the sensation and you don't have any kind of reaction to it. It's so compact, easy to pack in your gym bag or just keep it at home wherever you work out. A really interesting idea for taking your workouts to the next level.